Have you ever looked at your finances and felt completely overwhelmed? Like there's a mountain of paperwork, confusing jargon, and hidden fees standing between you and financial freedom? Well, you're not alone. Millions of people are in the same boat. But what if there was a simpler way to manage your money? A way to invest, save, and grow your wealth without the hassle? That's where Wealthsimple comes in. Introducing Wealthsimple. So, what exactly is Wealthsimple? In the simplest terms, it's a financial technology company that aims to make investing and money management accessible to everyone. They've taken the complexity out of the equation, offering a user-friendly platform that allows you to handle your finances from your smartphone or computer. Core services. Now, let's break down what Wealthsimple actually does. They offer a range of services to help you manage your money effectively. Wealthsimple Invest. This is probably the most well-known service. It's an automated investment platform that builds and manages a diversified portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Think of it as having a personal financial advisor, but without the hefty fees. Wealthsimple uses algorithms to invest your money in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets, rebalancing your portfolio as needed. Wealthsimple Trade. If you're a bit more hands-on and enjoy picking your own investments, Wealthsimple Trade is for you. It's a self-directed investing platform that gives you access to a wide range of stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. You can buy and sell investments at your own pace, with no commissions. Wealthsimple Cash. This service is your everyday banking account, but with a twist. You can send and receive money, pay bills, and earn interest on your balance. Plus, it comes with a debit card for convenient spending. Wealthsimple Tax. Tax season can be a stressful time. Wealthsimple Tax helps you file your taxes quickly and easily. It guides you through the process, maximizing your refund and minimizing your stress. Wealthsimple Crypto. If you're interested in investing in cryptocurrencies, Wealthsimple Crypto offers a secure and easy way to buy, sell, and hold digital assets. How does it work? You might be wondering how Wealthsimple actually works. The process is pretty straightforward. Sign up, create a Wealthsimple account by providing some basic information about yourself and your financial goals. Fund your account, transfer money from your bank account to your Wealthsimple account. Choose your service, decide which Wealthsimple service you want to use, invest, trade, cash, tax, or crypto. Start investing or managing. Once your account is funded, you can start investing, trading, or managing your money based on the service you've chosen. Benefits of using Wealthsimple. So, why should you consider using Wealthsimple? There are several benefits. Accessibility. Wealthsimple makes investing and money management accessible to everyone, regardless of your income level or investment knowledge. Low fees. Compared to traditional financial advisors, Wealthsimple's fees are significantly lower. Convenience. You can manage your finances from anywhere with an internet connection. Diversification. Wealthsimple helps you build a diversified portfolio to reduce risk. Customer support. They offer excellent customer support to assist you with any questions or concerns. Is Wealthsimple right for you? While Wealthsimple is a great option for many people, it might not be the perfect fit for everyone. If you have complex financial needs or prefer a more hands-on approach to investing, you might want to consider other options. Wealthsimple has undoubtedly revolutionized the way people manage their money. By offering a user-friendly platform with low fees and a range of services, they've made it easier for individuals to achieve their financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.